Hey dudes and chicks and neither, if those rules don't apply to you, this morning I'm gonna do a makeup look using my Paulina palette. It looks like this. It's actually the first video I ever uploaded was using this palette. I got these glitters from the sample glitter from Apocalyptic Beauty, and it's called The Bride, and they're kind of a green and purpley hearts. And since it is Valentine's Day, I thought the hearts would be appropriate, and plus I love green and purple makeup. It's like my favorite. So I'm gonna get started. And I'm going to start, should I go from the outside in or the inside out? I'm gonna start with the color Humble. I'm gonna go mid-range. I'm gonna start with the color Humble, and I'm going to put that in my outer V and run it along my crease. This is my Zoeva 227. It's such a habit that I just automatically do it, and then I'm like, oh. Plus, I thought these little light purple hearts, I don't know if you guys can see them. You will be able to see them here. Would match my hair really well. I feel like I just have that hint of yellow in my skin tone that makes green eyeshadow look really good. With my Zoeva 221, I'm going to go into the color Friends, and I'm going to use that to blend that out. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly take my Kaleidos S5 and I'm going to go into the color Humble and run that along my lower lid. Oh my god, I love this. And then with this, my Zoeva 221 on the color Friends. Not only to blend this out, but to kind of warm it up. That yellowy green is bomb, and it like... And now I'm going to go in with my Morphe M506 into the color Sieg and use that to deepen up this outer V. That looks really cool. I'm just going to use this, my Zoeva 227 that I dipped into the color Humble, and just use that to kind of blend that out with no additional product. And then my Zoeva 221 with no additional product. Awesome. Okay, so now I'm going to use one of my ABH brushes. And I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer. And my Zoeva 234. I'm going to go into the color Salma. Man, that's awesome. And just kind of using my Morphe M506 to like blend out that outer edge to make it not so harsh looking. Green and purple do not blend, only with shimmers. Okay, and what now? I'm going to use my Morphe JH39, and I'm going to go back into that color Salma and put that along my lower lid. And now with my Zoeva 231, I'm going to use the color Thingaling and use that for my inner corner highlight. And I'm going to put some of that right in the center to kind of raise it up and bring it forward. I'm going to do purple. These baggies. When I used to be a tweaker, I used to have a callus on my finger from opening baggies. I had a perfect line from opening baggies like this. Trigger! Cute. I do want to put a little bit more. There. I love that. Now, mascara, lipstick, off camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I used my Lime Crime highlighter in Daydreaming, this color at the end here. This was a little pinker than I wanted it to be, and then I used my Makeup Monsters in the color Grim. Sorry. You can also use your Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine in the color Snapped, which I'll probably do later on in the day because my lips are so fucking dry in this winter-ass tundra fucking bullshit. So yeah, I love this look. I think it matches my hair really good. Let me know if you guys like it in the comments. Let me know if you guys don't like it. I don't really care that much. And I'm sure you guys do. That's the thing, is if you guys don't like it, don't let me know in the comments, but I know that you guys do. So subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, hang out with me in the comments. Yeah, you guys could have been anywhere, but you were here with me, and I really appreciate that. I know that time is valuable. I kind of want to talk about time a little bit at a later date, but right now I'm actually on time because I've changed my morning systems, and so I'm gonna go so that I can like stay on time. Love you guys.